Today we talk about how can you change password on your RetailMeNot app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, you click here on account down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on profile, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on edit profile. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, you come here to password. Click on edit here. When you just click here on edit here, in here add new password, and here you confirm new password. Click on save changes, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.